Hello guys, so today I would be showing you the positional setup for ITC. How did I make an entry into the stock? What was my stop loss? What was my target? So this view what you see here is a trading view platform that is used by all the traders across the globe, and in this you can see the prices movement for the stocks on daily basis. So right now we are seeing the chart, the candlestick chart I would say for ITC. The each candle what you see, this is called a candle. Each candle what you see is a 1 day candle because the time frame set is 1 day. So each candle depicts the price movement, what has happened on that particular day, and it is plotted in the form of candles. So so I made an entry in ITC on 14th July. And what was my setup? Why did I make an entry in 14 July? I will just tell you that. So going back, if you see, the stock was in a continuous downtrend. If you see, this is a lower, this is one of the, there's a high point which is made. After that there was a lower highs, again a lower high, and it started following. So if you see, if I try to draw a trend line like this is a trend line because it is following this trend line. While following, it is acting as a resistance zone or a trend line, you can say. So the prices were trying to go up, then there were sellers active, again the prices spoke down, again it was trying to go up, again the prices were being pushed down by the sellers. So now when you see, if I draw if you try to draw a support level, if this is basically the price level where in the past when the ITC stock was always getting a support in the sense there's always a buyers ready to enter. So if you see here at and this day 21st December, there was a price which is coming down, then again it was pushed by the buyers. And if you see again here, again it was pushed by the buyers, again here, and there was an n number of time when the price reached at this level. That range is close to 199, 197. There's always a push from the buyers. That means there's some institutions, they are active and they are not letting the price for ITC to go down. So coming back to the point where I got that stock in my watch list. So if you see here, this is basically what I see. So what I'm seeing currently, this is a price which is stock price which is continuously falling down. But as I have drawn this support level, this it is always getting a support whenever it reaches this level. So my idea was only to wait till the price reaches this level and see how the price reacts at that level. So it was continuously falling down, then it came to this region again. If you see, there is a support which it got at this point on 12th July. There's a candles which is formation, and the candles formation are very small, and there's a formation of candle on 13th July. This is a small candle that is called a doji candle, and that is a very powerful candle in a technical analysis. So I was waiting to take a position on 14th July whenever it will try to cross this red line, or we can say a resistance line. So on 14th July, when the stock opened, it opened with Marabuzu candle. It's something with the high equals to low, because if you see the low levels are not as, there is no resistance from lower levels. Suddenly when the prior market the stock opened, it was continuously forced by the buyers to go up. So if I go into different time frame, that is got 1 hour time frame, more detailed level. So if you see here, so this candle, this was a candle at 11:15 which was trying to break this level. So this was a point where I entered my position. So it was level was close to 203.45. At that place I entered my position. I bought close to 1250 quantities in cash market, and I waited. So if now I go to switch back to a 1 day graph, so I waited, I made an entry. It was like after this, if after this region was broken, or we can the resistance was broken, and it started zooming up within a span of 4 5, I would say, 1 2 3, maybe a couple of days, maybe a week. So it reached a level 215, and that was a continuous move. If you see, this is a continuous move. So from here it started moving up 2003, and it reached 20215. So I waited here. I was holding my position on this day. If you see, on 26 July, the candle which was formed was basically a bearish candle, and I was waiting for this candle's lows to break. So I was holding my position. I was just waiting on the other day, on the next day. If this low is broken, that low is 2110.65, I will exit my position. So on 27th July, when the price opened, it was continuously falling down, and as it broke this level, I exited my position. So I exited my position on 111. I can show you on this page. Yeah, so it was 211. At this price, I exited my position. So now after breaking this level, it continuously fall to 204. So I was not in a mood to hold this position longer, because I knew it will fall to certain levels, and I don't wanted to lose my profit which I have already built. So I just exited my position, and I gained mostly close to 10k in that. So now the stock is again started. It made a lower low again. So if you see, there is a swing. So what I gained was just a swing. So this, from this level to this level, it is a swing which the ITC stock made, and I enjoyed that swing. I exited my position. I didn't wait for the stock to get retraced to lower levels, because the stock looked good, but I was not ready to, because we never knew till what level it will break, it will go down. So I exited my position. I was again ready to take a position if there's some other opportunity for me, but I didn't took any position on this stock. I invested in some other stock. So this was basically my positional setup what I had. And also one more thing, what was my stop loss? So when I entered here, my stop loss was just below this level. It was close, just this one, 197, close to 197 was my stop loss. This was just my stop loss, because I was sure, because when the stock started moving up, it was not able to break this 199 level. So I just took that stop loss 1 or 2 points below that level, because it was, as it looks from the chart, it is not ready to break that level. And as in when it broke that resistance line, and it started zooming up. Yeah, hopefully this is the positional setup. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I will be back with some other positional setup, and that entries would be the ones which I have already took, not just the chart patterns, not just showing the charts to take. It would be the actual entries and my positional setup, how I'm taking trades. Thank you.